one I have to make it in urgent because some people need this tea bag holder and asked me for a very long time. I just found a notebook that I wrote down such a long time. I'm so sorry. So anyway, the main fabric here, I have the teapot fabric right here. If you use the flower or any kind of solid color, you don't need to cut separately because my fabric is going this way. So when I do like a wallet kind of thing, when you're done, it's gonna be like up and down like that. One side is up and one side is down. So I have cut in here too. And the side is 4 inches and 3/4 up and ends up by 9 inches long. The first one I'm going to do like that. This one is upside down, the right side facing to me, you know, the pot. It's like this, okay? And then the second piece is this one right here, like this. This one, it's gonna be like this. Okay, so opposite side like that. I'm gonna place the right side to the right side together, just like so. And then I'm going to sew a 1/4 up and inseam allowance so on this side. Here I have cut. I just helped my sister, I'm tired. I just cut 4 pieces of the pink fabric right here. That side is and 6.5 inches by 7 inches and 1/4. And I have 4 pieces of this. 4. I fold it in half, right side facing out, and this is the inside. And I cut 4 of the interfacing, and the side of this is 3 inches and 1/4 by 7 inches and 1/4. I place it in here, from the inside. Iron this. Go on the fold and top stitch all 4. And I also cut in here for the holder, the wrist, or you know, whatever it is. So I cut it in here 2 inches. I fold it in half, fold it again, and I fold again. You're gonna sew 2 lines right here. So everyone after I sew, go to the back side and I iron the sew line out. And it's just like that. And here I cut in the interfacing. I cut it 8 inch by 8 inches. And I'm going to iron on the back side of the main fabric right here. Eight inches. Okay, and here I cut another piece the same size of this. After I top stitch all these 4 pieces right here, the lining, I'm gonna fold the lining piece in half. Make sure the center stay in the center and everything. I'm gonna make this is just exactly like the wallet you're making. I'm gonna mark right from the center right here. I'm gonna mark down 1/2 inch on each side so I can 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. So I'm gonna fold it in half. I just want to make sure everything is staying even for me. Fold it in half. So I have it like that. This, you can just fold it in half. Just mark like that, all 4 of them. This one made by request that I have to do it at night time because it's the new year, so I'm very busy doing all this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna place where I did the top stitch right here. I'm gonna place the center here, and then the stuff from the 1/2 inch. The other one you're gonna do exactly the same. Center and center, start from the 1/2 inch, fold this way like this, okay? My seam allowance for this one will be 1/2 inch seam allowance. What is this side? You see what the blue is? That's where my seam allowance. Sew this down and sew on this down. So after I sew on the bottom, and it's here too. This one right here, the second piece, I'm gonna go and meet the center right here. And make sure the center meet the center, and then on here meet the line. And then same thing, this one right here, the top stitch in here, and then the two go into here. Center, meet the center. As long as you meet the center here, everything else is line up. Now you're gonna divide this into 3. You're gonna sew from here going down and very close to here, like a 1/4 inch. You're gonna go down to here, going up, and then very close to here, you're gonna sew it down. Okay, and then after that, you're gonna sew the divider up here and up here. Same thing to this side, you're gonna divide it too. Exact the same way. Gonna sew this right here, 1/4 inch, and then go to here, and then sew the divide right here. All right, so make sure you pin this down so it won't move when you sew. So everyone, after I sew it in here, now I have pocket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Same thing to here. Sew it. Thing right here, I'm gonna fold it in half. You can sew now, or you can sew all together. Okay, and I'm going to place the main side of the pot. Remember this going to this side. So I mark it here 3 inches. So follow the interfacing, and you go on around here and you sew on this. Leave this open so you can inside out. After I sew on around, I left it here open. So I'm gonna go and take this main side and fold it up this way. I'm gonna press. And then I go to this side, go on that blue, and I press. And now I'm gonna go and trim around. Right here, I'm gonna So everyone, after I iron all around, and the opening space right here, right in the center, I turn this way so you can see the center by looking at the pocket right there. Let me just clip it down so I know where I'm going to sew. This area I'm gonna hand sew and using ladder stitch. Okay, so right in the center right here, I'm using this elastic. I get it from the face mat, 4 inches, and then I fold the 2 ends together. I always do this to make sure that I got it right like that. Okay, and I'm going to slide right into the center of this. Slide a needle on one side of this, and then I hide a knot underneath where the fold of this pink. Boom. And now I'm going to scoop on the teapot fabric right here, the main fabric, and then I go to the fold of the pink. I done this many times so you don't miss anything. So like that, and then I go into the main fabric on the other side, just very close to the fold, scoop that, and then go to the pink, scoop this, and then you pull. By the time when you're done going all the way over here, when you get into that elastic, you're gonna do the same. So sew that all the way to the other way, the other end. Close that open. Get into this loop right here. Make sure you sew the elastic. Okay, so I'm gonna go get my needle and go through the elastic like that, and then I go down, but I scoop right on the pink. I don't go to the other side. Okay, I go down to the pink, and then from the side of the pink I go up, but sew right on the elastic, just back and forth a few times. Just want to make sure this elastic to stay in here. Okay, very easy, everyone. It's so simple. When you have it in your hand, you know what you're doing. And now you can see. Okay, so I sew it like here. I don't go to this side. I just scoop up the wall of the pink and then sew. All right, very simple. Everyone can do. If I can do, you can too. So after I sew on this, look over. Isn't that so cute? And look at the side right here. It looks so cute. It's beautiful, everyone. And then you're gonna sew the button on this side. So you're gonna go down about, I use this button. Get something like this. The button is like this, everyone. Okay, and it go right to here. Go right in the middle of this. And that basically so adorable. And like that to close it. Let me go get some tea bath, and then I come up and show you. I drink this tea to help me sleep. So I'm gonna put it around here so you can see. Okay, and that is the purple. This tea helped me sleep too, because sometimes that when I go, you know, when I travel and come home and I have a hard time sleeping, and then I drink green tea with lemon, the best one. Put it around here. When I put it like that, I know what tea I take. Okay, so put it right in here. The interfacing on this pocket, it helps you to keep the tea bag stand nicely, like that. So cute. Then I drink this kind of tea too. You gotta try this one. This is lemon and ginger. It's very good tea, especially during the winter time. I do drink tea. I don't drink every day though. Once in a while I drink. Only when I travel and then I can't sleep, or you know, sometimes I eat Chinese food or something like that, and then I drink tea. I just want to put it nicely so you can see now I have that. And so just like that, everyone. Holder, and when you're done, you close it right here, and then here with the button, you're gonna snap it closed, and then you carry it with you, just like a wallet. You can use this at the wallet if you want to. And look at the side in here. You see this? So cute. Look at how pretty that is. And it's easy to make. It take you a few minutes and you can finish it. So pretty and easy. I keep saying that. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for the people who support my channel membership and always come and watch my video every time I upload. Love you. Stay safe. And remember, check your bell notification. Every time I upload the video, you get notified. Make sure you refresh it once in a while, because I asked YouTube and YouTube told me to tell you all. You need to refresh the bell notification. With this, you're gonna click again and again. Alright, everyone. Love you. Stay safe.